Tom Butime, minisita w'ebyoburambuzi ashabira abantu kwera ihanga barekeraho kugamba ebishuba ngo Ebola yeyongiire kandi obwe gatari mazima. Eki nagira ngu kyagumizamu nikikorwa abanya-Uganda nibeija kuferwa byingi na munonga entaasya erikuruga aheeru y'ihanga okurabira omu by'oburambuzi.
And nobody should exaggerate Ebola for Uganda. And nobody should talk on our behalf, isn't it? Because we are here, we have a ministry of health, we have researchers and scientists. And in East Africa, we are the best as far as managing epidemics is concerned. So nobody should speak for Uganda, nobody should speak for the Ministry of Health, nobody should speak for the Ministry of Tourism. We can manage any epidemic here and our experts.
We have been given indicative figure of more than 600 million that will come from your ministry to support tourism in Kasese. And we want to thank you for that gesture. And I also want to say we have really appreciated your leadership. For you knew the equator goes through Kasese, and you decided to build a monument for the equator that has been an icon and attractive to all tourists.
By today, we have already received over 800,000 visitors already. And this is June. I hope that in the coming months, we should be able to receive another 1.6. And then we shall go to 2.4 million tourists, and that will be great.
Aha mukoro ogwo kishangirwe ngu nubwo abeegi barikweyongyera okuheza emishomo baitu emirimo ekiri mikye.
If you see where we are coming from, putting up state of the art, these buildings you see, it has not been easy. But the government has prioritized this institution for development under the leadership of Honorable Butime.
There is hope for the graduates. Dear graduates, one of the former pioneer students, who is now a commissioner in the ministry, he was once like you.
Abeegi bo bajagwize kandi nibasiima abazaire baabo hamwe na gavumenti okureeba ngu bamazire gye emishomo yaabo.
Nimpura we nashemerirwe kandi nyine amashema mingi akukugira ngu naamara erizooba nagraduatinga omu kosi yangye ya wildlife and natural resource kandi okusima kwangye nkugenda aha abazaire bangye n'abazaire na management ya Uganda Wildlife Research and Training College hamwe na ministry y'ihanga egi. Abeegi 207 nibo bamazire emishomo yaabo aha rurengo rwa diploma omu kurinda enyamaishwa eby'obuhangwa n'eby'oburambuzi. Omuganda abazaire bashabirwe kureeba ngu nibakuriza abaana baabo mu diini kibahwera okukora baine okumanya n'okutiina Ruhanga. Okurabirwa oku kukozirwe Sheikh kandi omushomesa w'ishomero erya Swahada Muslim SSC Salim Ahmed omweegi ahari Madina University omuri Saudi Arabia omu kusaara eswara ya Juma izooba eryanyuma abazyo.
Nebo changocha nebo bina muwafu nebo bina murushi wichawo oye mchana kwa fungo kwa wasa yo yekagenda kuchuka alafu familia zaffe ng'osilamu twagala okulongoosa tuzitereezeza tutya osilamu butuluma naye wakati ebuli bo baleero jakuba lusaawa biri kitundu otambule mpolampola okumwembe ogende webakiri.
Ekindi aherekire okukwatwaho kureeba ngu bamwe mu basiraamu omu mwanya gw'okuba nibakora omurimo gw'okutereeza ekyabo nibasiiba omu kugambura abeebembezi ab'obusiraamu.
Abaffe nga twagala obusiraamu tubutuuse tugezeegezeeko guno omulembe ogutabuse tulina okuba sacrifice entuufu ey'obusiraamu. Tulina okuba sacrifice entuufu assalima assahiha.
Mwarimu w'omuzigiti ogu ogwa Abubakar Mosque asiimira abatiireho amaani okureeba ngu omurimo gw'okwombeka omuzigiti gwagenda omu maisho.
Kubeera abasiraamu abalungi abaneewaayo okubeera ngu obusiraamu bugenda mu maaso. Ejjuma yaffe alhamdulillah ebadde nnungi naye olw'omulamu ogwo tubaddeko banaye bamuddayo okulaakulanye abaana abo mu nsonga z'eddiini basobola okubeera nga bayamba obusiraamu enkya.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi na Ali Waswa.